Hello everybody, this is Kamda the Smart Home and my name is Ali Reza. This tutorial is about Home Assistant integration. In this video, HACS must be installed in your Home Assistant. If you do not know what is HACS, how to install it, then use it, watch this tutorial. Okay, in this video I want to check iPhone device tracker. This integration tracks iPhone devices connected to local Wi-Fi, even when they are in deep sleep. So Home Assistant detects whether you are home or away. Then scenes and automations can be run based on this detection. Okay, before heading to Home Assistant integration, it must be mentioned that you have to assign static IP addresses to your iPhone, as only static IP addresses will work. How? Let's do it. On your iPhone, navigate to Settings, tap on Wi-Fi. After connecting to the Wi-Fi, the one that your Home Assistant is connected to it, tap on I as information. In this page, find IP4 addresses section. As you see, configure IP is set to automatic. Tap on it. Choose manual. In a manual IP section, enter or assign a static IP address to your iPhone. Subnet mask is the same in all settings. In router section, enter the IP address of your router. Pay attention that the IP address of your phone and the router must be in the same range. Then tap on Save. After setting a static IP address to your iPhone, if you see that the Wi-Fi icon is not displayed on your iPhone, navigate to Settings, Wi-Fi, then tap on I as information of your Wi-Fi network. At the bottom of the page, in DNS section, tap on Configure DNS. By default, it is set to automatic. Choose manual, and in DNS servers, enter 8.8.8.8. Then tap on Save. Also, you can set static IP addresses to your iPhone using your router. For doing so, you need MAC address of your iPhone. Navigate to Setting, then Wi-Fi. Tap on I in front of the network you are connected to it. Here you can find the MAC address of your iPhone. Write it down. We need it. Then navigate to your router. Okay, let's do it. After navigating to your router, in local network, DHCP reserved. Okay, enter the credentials of your router. Here you can assign a static IP address for your iPhone. For example, I want to assign the same IP address as I set it to the iPhone. So I enter the IP address. Then here you must enter the MAC address of your iPhone. After entering the MAC address, tap on Add. Let's correct the MAC address. This is how you set a static IP address using your router. Okay, let's head to the Home Assistant. In Home Assistant, navigate to HACS on the left panel. In HACS page, select Integration. At the bottom of the page on the right, tap on Explore and Download Repositories. In this page, search iPhone Device Tracker. Select it. Then click on Download this repository with HACS. Download. Wait till downloading completes. The integration is downloaded pending restart. You have to restart Home Assistant. Navigate to Configuration on the left panel. Select Settings. In this section, click on Restart. OK. Wait till Home Assistant reboots. Home Assistant has started. Navigate to HACS. Integrations. You see iPhone device tracker is installed. By clicking on three dots of the integration, then information, you can read about the integration and how to configure it. After downloading integration, you must configure it in configuration.yaml file. Okay, in your Home Assistant, navigate to Configuration, select Add-ons, Backups, and Supervisor. You must have File Editor add-on installed in your Home Assistant. Click on it, select Open Web UI, then tap on Folder icon. In this page, find configuration.yaml file. Then here you must paste some codes. You can find the codes in description. Here in host section, you can enter the IP address of several iPhone devices, naming hostname 1, hostname 2. For example, this IP address is for another iPhone device. After pasting the codes and entering the IP address of your iPhone, tap on Save. File saved successfully. If you have track new device set to false, this one, for the device tracker component, you need to manually change track to true for each device in knowndevice.yaml file. For doing so, tap on Folder icon, find the known device YAML file, in this page you have to insert the details of your iPhone as its name, MAC address, and set it to true, then save it. Okay, after entering the codes, restart your Home Assistant by navigating to Configurations, Settings, clicking on Restart. Okay, wait till Home Assistant reboots. If you face this error, something is wrong in your configuration.yaml file. Let's check it. Till now, we have downloaded iPhone device tracker in Home Assistant, assigned a static IP address to our iPhone device, and added some codes to configuration.yaml file in Home Assistant. I have Home Assistant application installed on my iPhone and configured it. After installing and configuring Home Assistant application on my iPhone, a new integration is automatically added to Home Assistant. Navigate to Configuration, Devices and Services. Here you see that Ali Reza, my mobile app, which is an iPhone integration, is added to Home Assistant. Okay, by clicking on the device, we have the information of my iPhone. Let's check the integration. Navigate to Logbook on the left panel. Let's disconnect my iPhone from the Wi-Fi network by turning off the Wi-Fi. Wait a few seconds, then refresh the page. After a few seconds, by refreshing the page, you see that hostname 1 was detected away. Now I turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to the network, the one that my Home Assistant is connected to it, Kia. Wait a few seconds. Here you can see that hostname 1 was detected at home. So the integration is working great. You can create scenes, automations based on whether you are home or away. If you do not know how to create scenes or automations in Home Assistant, watch this video. Let's show you in simple words, or let's say briefly. Okay, I navigate to configurations. Here we have automations and scenes, but I click on devices and services. Select my iPhone integration. Here we have automations, scenes, and scripts. By clicking on plus in front of each of them, we are navigated to the creating automations or scenes. And step by step, you can create automations and scenes. I will upload another video talking about creating automations and scenes completely in near future. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't done already. You can support me by buying me a coffee. I'll see you in the next video.